guys, if you all remember, we've been working on the, well, it's an 80. It's an 80 frame. It's an 84 cab. It's a Chevy front end, and it's a GMC tailgate, I believe. God, I should know. Anyway, the Frankenstein truck. Let's call it that. She's a monster, that's for sure. She's all done. There's a couple little pieces that the customer's waiting on back order, and he's taken out to get the interior finished off, but we're done with it, and he's going to come and pick it up here in the next day or so. So I thought I'd give you a glimpse at the square body. There she is outside in her glory. So if you remember, the frame came to us all sandblasted and painted with all the differentials in it. Had an inch and tranny sitting in it. So we didn't do any of that. We did go through the brakes, just the front and rear brakes, made sure they were good. We did all the body work and welding, put the bumpers on, you know, got all the glass in it, wired it up, did what we had to do. So there's a couple things that are on back order from LMC truck, like this little piece of chrome that goes through the grill. That's on back order. Unfortunately, look at how straight that sucker is. And this, might I remind you guys, this is his daily driver. We are talking, it is November 11th, tomorrow, our Remembrance Day. So he is coming to pick it up, and this is what he's going to drive all year round, and he doesn't even have a garage. It sits in the driveway. So that makes me happy. Okay, so we're, yeah, it looks good. We're missing the little piece of chrome that goes here. This one here, they back ordered. Couple little things, but nothing to stop him from driving the truck. So he's got carpet to go in it still, door panels to go in, sill plates, seats all done though. We didn't screw down the shifter boots or anything. There's no reason to, because he's going to go take it and get the upholstery done there. But it's beautiful. It is a beautiful truck. We sprayed a little Raptor on the steps here. And the reason we did that is because he wanted a fuel cell in the back. Doesn't look like it, but it's a big fuel cell. Holds 80 liters of fuel. It's quite good. So we sprayed the Raptor there just so that when he steps up on either side, it doesn't wreck the paint right away. There's the custom-made bumper that Mike made. Yes, somebody asked, a few people asked, even though I say it over and over, we made this in here. We made this bumper here, Mike made it here. And if you look at the way he did the angle, what he's done here is he's copied the angle of the front one. See, again, see how the front one has that angle? Copied it. Exhaust is coming up the sides. Looks good. We took it, he brought us some insurance for it. He brought us insurance down because we actually had the truck ready here on Friday. But we didn't want to give it to him until we drove it a bit. So it's got a little bit of dirt on it. It's a big truck. It's got big tires. There's no keeping it clean. So we took it out for a good drive. Drove it around. Drives really nice. Needs a wheel alignment. He knows that. Once you get the wheel alignment, you can center the wheel properly. But needs an alignment. And there it is. 350. Automatic. Oh, no, I mean standard. 350. Standard, sorry. He's got a nice custom wheel in there he had us put in. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see the nice oak wood in the deck there. The bed, all the stainless strips. We did these beautiful, we use these nice stainless bolts that are Allen head. The stainless washers, they look nice. So, that's it. This old girl is ready to rock and roll and go home. Cowl injection hood there. That look. Like I say, it's got the Chevy, it's got a Chevy grill in it, an 80 chassis, and 84 cab, and a GMC tailgate. So I really think she is Frankenstein. But who's going to mess with her? Look how big she is. I sure in the hell ain't going to be calling her names when she's coming up behind me on the road. So everyone worked good and hard here. Everybody had a hand in this one, and it turned out just absolutely beautiful. People were asking about the color. This is a factory GM color. We took the paint coat off this cab when it came in, so it is the original color. I can't remember the name of it now, but it's, you know, obviously it's a gray, but in the right light it looks, you can see there's blue in it. Oh, and again, he's got the badge, the, you know, the signs that go on here. He ordered those, or waiting on those. That's it. She's on the road and driving home. So, another one is out the door. And what does that mean? That only means there's more to come. So stay tuned. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always a good time and old time. Christmas is coming up. And we got lots of t-shirts, lots of decals, lots of keychains, lots of cool shit. So check our website out, Old Time Garage. See you later.